So there's actually two ways we can go on this one. The first way is just to plug in, and in general, if you're given a geometric figure that's got really nothing marked, what they're asking about is going to be true of any similar geometric figure. And I don't mean similar in the geometric way, I just mean any figure that's kind of like the figure you're given. So in this case, we have a triangle, and we have another triangle inside it and a bunch of marked angles. Whatever is true about these triangles is going to be true about any triangles in the same configuration. So what I'm going to do is just plug in the easiest numbers I can think of, which is to make everything an equilateral triangle. So I'm going to say 60 degrees for all of these angles. And the beauty of saying 60 for all of them is that, well, we've got some straight lines here that need to add up to 180, right? And we've got a bunch of triangles, and obviously those need to add up to 180. And if I do all these as 60, then I know that all my straight lines and all my triangles add up to 180. So let's count up the number of marked angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 of them, and I've just plugged in 60 for all of them. So 6 times 60 equals 360. There you go. That's the quick and dirty way to get a question like this. Of course, there is a mathematical way to do this, and once I erase everything here, I'll show you how to do that. So let me do a little erasing. Right, so okay. The math is also important to know, and here's how the math works. We've got 3 kind of straight lines here, right? And of course we know that a straight line is 180 degrees. So you've got a 180 there, a 180 there, and a 180 there. 3 times 180 is 540. Of course, we've counted more than the marked angles here, haven't we? We've counted these entire straight lines, but those straight lines are all missing something. They're all missing the angles inside this center triangle, and we know the center triangle happens to also be 180. So if we want the measures of just the gray marked angles, we're going to have to take that 180 out. So the total straight line, all 3 of those are 540. We take away the unmarked angles that form the triangle. 540 minus 180, 360, same as we got before.